wouldn't you? Scritch, scritch, scritch. Hey guys! Welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent, sometimes known as the Bearded Welder. If you want a Bearded Welder t-shirt, check down below. Support the channel. We can make more videos. Anyhow, we had an issue. As happy as I've been with the Jackson Safety True Sight 2, it's got paint overspray on it, and well, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera, but see, somebody grabbed it and started welding without an outer lens on. So now the lens and the sensors and everything are covered with weld spatter. Yeah. So, as much as I like this, it just, you can still weld with it. I've got another lens on the way. I'm going to see what I can do to clean this up, but I don't have a lot of hope. So, needed something new. So, doing my research, checking around, I came up with this. This is the Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 Steampunk Edition. It's not the newer ADV. It's still got the dial controls. So, we're going to give this a try. Hopefully I like it because I paid a lot for it. And I've already ordered new lenses for it. New cover lenses. Inside, outside, etc. Anyhow, so, like I said, this is the Viking Electric, or Lincoln Electric Viking 3350 welding helmet. It's got 4C lens technology. It's 12.5 inches of viewing area, square inches of viewing area. I don't know what that is in metric, but it is. It's the 1111 optical clarity. It takes a CR 2450 battery, which are really common. You can find them just about anywhere. Easy to have a spare one around. It's got four arc sensors, and it weighs 21 ounces, 595 grams. So they're comparable. I don't know which one's heavier. They're pretty darn comparable, and I can weld in this one all day long. This one's a little softer and more flexible. This one's a little stiffer. So anyhow, we're going to give it a try. I'm going to let you guys look through the lens, see what I can see. So let me get set up and we'll run a few beads. Great response, and I can see very, very well. Let's see if we can get this rigged up so you guys can see very, very well. I like this one better. You guys can't have it anymore. Alright guys, All right, guys, I like it. It's I got really good vision of the puddle. You can see exactly what I'm doing. Miko, what are you doing? No, you cannot have a piece of scrap out of that bucket. You don't need to chew on scrap. You'll ruin your teeth. Anyhow, yeah, so I like it. I'm happy with it. A little interesting that there's no off-on switch. It just does it. So, and I have it set for approximately shade 9 right now. Oh, wait. Nope. I have it set for just over shade 10. So, perfect for MIG welding. Anyways, I'll let you know, guys know in the future if I find an issue or I don't like it or anything. I did pay my own money for this, so, and nobody gave this to me, so. Yeah, it's comfortable on the head. That headgear is really, really comfortable, and more comfortable than the Jackson Safety, that's for sure. And yeah, and the clarity and everything, the viewing area, perfect. It's everything that I like. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up, thumbs down. I don't care. The algorithm doesn't care. Go ahead and leave a comment if you've got one of these. If you're thinking about getting one of these, got any questions about it that I might know the answer to that you couldn't find by Googling Viking 3350. I mean, it's not that difficult. All that information's out there. But very, very comfortable. And the clarity and view while you're welding is excellent. So, all right. Catch you in the next one.